Hello YouTube, how's everyone doing? Fish Taco here. Another beautiful day here in Newport, Oregon. Another fishing video. I'm here for herring. Herring usually runs in the Yaquina Bay in Newport in March. So from beginning of March to end of the March is pretty good time for catching them. I'm using a 7.5 foot light rod, 3,000 reels, 6 pound mono line. I keep the line light so that it ensures smooth casting and more sensitivity and more fun, right? Sabiki rigs, standard practice. Just cast it out and reel it in and let it drop, and just find out what level they are. Sometimes they are far, sometimes they're near, but oh boy, they are fun to catch. To look for the fish, basically you look for the crowd that are fishing for the fish. And this jetty has been pretty popular lately, and if you don't know where the fish are, you can go to a local tackle shop, when you're buying your tackle or your rig, just ask, and then they normally will tell you, oh, right now the fish is, down in the south side or north side, things like that. And when you find them, hey, and just cast out all directions, because the schools are sort of, going all directions. So if you cast out this way, didn't get anything, cast a little bit, to the right or left until you find them. Just it's fun to find the fish and look for them using your line and your rig. After you cast out, just let it sink a little bit. It doesn't have to be all the way down the bottom. At this marina area, the bottom is pretty smooth and pretty much just sand and silt mud. So I did not get any hung up on the ground, down on the bottom. But when you get closer to the jetty, then that's when you need to sort of get your rig back out of the water. Otherwise, you're gonna get hung up on the rocks. But otherwise, when you're just dragging it out there, it's pretty smooth and you won't get snagged on the bottom. Using light tackles and light rods and casting and reel for herring, it just feels so much like crappie fishing. It's just the way that they pull the line and the way they fight. They swim all over. Sometimes you got 2 or 3 on the line. Oh, that is really fun. Oh, there are 2 of them. Oh, 3 of them. Oh my goodness. Oh yes, 3 of them. Because today is a Thursday, just me and another guys out on the jetty, and just we got the whole place to ourselves, so I can cast out at all angles to find the fish. I just like fan out the entire casting area, so it's just fun to just find the fish, find the school. Sometimes they're on the right, sometimes to the left, and find them and go catch them. Ooh. Nice play. Just one? Oh, yeah. Just one. Beautiful herring. Whew. That was some quick fun, easy fun. Yeah, for herring like this late in the season, March 19 today. Yeah, I got quite a few just in about 15-20 minutes. That's awesome. It's getting dark, but I still got 3. Well, here comes another set of double. So it kind of get dark around 7:30. I started around 6. So for an hour and a half, I got pretty good actions most the way. And just maybe a few minutes that wasn't any fish biting. It's just the school going in and out. But yeah, it's good fun, good time. Suggest you guys get out here before the end of March while it's still here. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.